Another name for CLED is cysteine lactose electrolyte deficient agar, and it is used to cultivate urinary bacteria. So it's mainly used for urine culture. The first thing to do is to know the amount you want to prepare. So I'll be preparing 500 ml. So I measured 500 ml of distilled water. I put on my weighing scale and I zeroed it. I added my filter paper. According to the manufacturer instruction, you are to dissolve 36 gram in 1000 milliliter of distilled water. Since I'm preparing 500, I have to divide the 36 by 2 to get 18. So I measured 18 gram of the CLED powder. Then I added my 500 ml of water into a conical flask, and I also added the 18 gram of powder into the same conical flask, and I mixed until the powder dissolved. Using a spatula, I carefully scraped the remaining powder from the weighing paper into the conical flask and also from the side of the conical flask to ensure complete transfer. After dissolving the culture medium, I transferred it into the autoclave for sterilization. I allowed the air in the chamber to escape until a steady stream of steam was observed. Then I closed the air valve and secured the lid to allow pressure to build. The medium was sterilized at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. In order for you to know when to start timing the 15 minutes for the sterilization to complete, you will hear a hiss sound coming from the autoclave. Then you start the timer for 15 minutes. After sterilization, I allowed the autoclave to cool and the pressure to return to normal before carefully opening it. Before pouring, it is very important to gently mix the medium in the conical flask to allow for proper solidification. Then I allowed the medium to cool to about 45 degrees Celsius before pouring. I briefly flamed the mouth of the conical flask to maintain aseptic conditions. Then the medium was poured into a sterile petri dish and allowed to solidify. After solidification, the plates were inverted and stored in the refrigerator